Is your haptic keyboard feedback not working on your iPhone? This issue can happen due to a settings glitch or a software bug. Don't worry though, follow these simple steps to get your haptic feedback working again. Let's fix it. Solution 1. Check haptic feedback settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to the Sounds and Vibrations Patterns section. Tap Keyboard Feedback. Make sure haptic is toggled on. If it's off, toggle it on to enable haptic feedback when typing. Solution 2. Check vibration settings for haptic feedback. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap Accessibility. Tap Touch. Make sure vibration is turned on. If it's off, toggle it on. Solution 3. Check Do Not Disturb or Silent mode. Flip the ring silent switch on the side of your iPhone to the ring position. Open settings, then tap Focus. Tap Do Not Disturb and make sure it's turned off. By following these simple steps, you should be able to restore the haptic feedback on your keyboard without any issues. If this guide was helpful to you, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more easy troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for our next video. We've got plenty more to share.